Hi everybody, I'm Scott with Starkey Family Gaming and Fun, and tonight what we're going to do is we're going to do an unboxing video. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Now I'm going to tell you what my wife did for me. I ended up getting a OLED Nintendo Switch, and she was nice enough to go out and buy me a new controller. So let's zoom in on this box a little bit. Isn't that nice looking? So we're going to pull this out. This is what it looks like inside the box. Isn't that nice? Check that thing out. So anyways, this controller is supposed to be good for 30 hours. It is called Midnight Ride. And this is Bluetooth, so there's no wires, no nothing like that. So this is supposed to be you're supposed to be able to go through and remap all your buttons. It's rechargeable, of course. Wireless motion. So let's go ahead and crack this open and see what I got. Okay, so let's go ahead and crack this open. I want to keep this box because look at it, it's just nice. It's a nice Zelda edition controller. Great design on there. Check that out. I really like how they did this box. This is nice. So let's go ahead and open it. And let's see what we get. Okay, so I got some instructions. This is what we really want to see here. Wow. Look how long that cord is. That is a cord. Well, it makes this really nice. It's USB one end, and it is Type C on the other. So it's got a very, very common cord on it. An updated one too. Look at that. That is a thick cord too. Wow. So let's pop it out of the plastic. This is absolutely beautiful. That is really comfortable too. Look at that. I hate to even use it. So basically, you plug it in here, you sync it up here. Got some buttons on the back. Isn't that beautiful? This really feels super comfortable. The buttons do not feel cheap. Now this right here has a ring on it that goes all the way around. So this right here on both knobs, you have a smooth gliding motion on here. This is super, super smooth. Wow. So let's go ahead and let's sync this thing up. Okay, so at this point I'm going to show you how to actually take this controller and sync it into the Nintendo Switch. This is the OLED model, but it doesn't matter. The same principle applies to any of them. So you're going to take the Switch, and all you're going to do is come down to where it says controllers. Okay, you will push A, Then you're going to go where it says change grip order. Push A. Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take your controller, you got to hold this button down, and there it goes. It's just that simple. Press A when you're ready. Just that simple. And now this thing is actually programmed in, as you can see. Just that simple. So let's go ahead and get out of this. I hope you all enjoyed the video. I hope you all learned something. And I hope you all appreciate the picture that they actually put on this controller. Isn't this beautiful? I'm telling you, I really hate to even use this thing. But you all have a great night. And make sure you turn your notifications on. Make sure you give me a nice like on this video. That way YouTube knows that everyone likes this video, and I will start getting recommended a little bit more. It will help my subscriptions out. Y'all have a good night, and watch my other videos. Thank you.